Hello, 9:45 a.m. We're looking at the Dow 1 minute chart. I just recorded a brief video. I tried to pause it to come back after this data comes out at 10 a.m. But for some reason the video stopped at finished. So I'm just going to keep stay on this screen for now. And we will take note that at 10 a.m. there's some consumer sentiment on the Forex Factory calendar that they have it as having medium impact. So we don't necessarily have to wait to trade, but that could give it a push one way or another. So Friday, maybe we'll do a couple of scalps and wrap it up. Okay, so we have a Fibonacci retracement drawn from this swing. Okay, price bouncing, it's bouncing up, just about got to the 50. Okay, if we zoom, I had some sort of a channel drawn here. It broke down when the market opened. Okay, that's really the long and short of it. We can zoom out to a 5-minute chart. We can see that, we had selling, and a little earlier I thought we may be contained, with the moving average flattening out. Maybe we'd bounce around, but we broke down and now we're bouncing back up. Okay, we will trade the minimum position of 0.01, but we can say that our risk management allows us to go up to 3.03 micros, maybe 4. Okay, so we'll start out trading 1. Okay, so we're at the 50. See, this is some sort of an engulfing candle here. This red line that we had drawn, you see how the price paused there, broke through, is using it as a little bit of support, maybe to go up to this 50, right? You have the 50 period moving average on this 1-minute chart, and you have the 61.8 fib at about the same place. But the price is strong. Okay, it's kind of, it's trending higher now, right? And in about 10 minutes, we have some kind of data coming out. We don't know. It could do nothing. It could push the price around. Consolidating. See if it touches these. Maybe we'll just draw a trend line there. Just a little something to see how the price reacts. Let's make it a little thinner. I don't know if you could see that actually. Okay, so look at that. Yeah, we could call it a micro trend line. Okay, that data has not been released yet, but we have a nice bearish candle. Now, will this continue lower? I would take a short here, but it could. I would get out really quick if it wasn't working. So at this point, you just have to decide. Maybe you want to wait a few minutes and see if you get a little momentum here. How many? That's about 9. Okay, you see that? Sometimes you could almost see that that low is lower than this low here. Okay, see? It broke down past the low there. I think I will short this. Okay, now we'll just put a stop up here, and we will start by putting a take profit around this 23, right? That's like about 6. So now remember that data's coming out. I wouldn't really want to stay in this if it's not working, Okay, so that's one way you can set up a scalp. At this point, I would. So that was about 6 ticks, pips, whatever. At this point, I would just wait until that data comes out, and maybe do something else. Look for another trade or two. But on Friday, many times I would just wrap it up kind of early. But anyway, thanks for watching.